Guilty as sock. We're here with a lot of people. We got like 5 or 6 people. We got Jaden, Logan, Skylar, Avery, and Will. Tonight, we will be deciding who is guilty, who is innocent, and most importantly, who is sock. Let's do it! Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm muted. Hello?
Hi.
I'm gonna hit random. Whatever I get, I think everybody should hit random in like 3.
So
and
what
like,
we're gonna do, we're just gonna count it down and then everyone hits random.
All right.
3, 2, 1, random. All right, we need a judge.
oh, I hit random and I got judge. Oh god. it's like I've been preparing for this my whole life. Oh no, my gavel is broken.
Well, that sucks, Your Honor.
Order! Prosecutor! Penny the Beast! Hey, hey, that is battery and assault, sir. But that's not why we're here. No! Stop it! Mr. Stinky is accused of taking a shit in the KFC parking lot and flipping the bird at 5 children.
Alright, so I think it's pretty clear here that Mr. Stinky is a menace. He clearly took a dump in that KFC parking lot, and then he proceeded to unapologetically flip off those children right after.
A likely story.
He did apologize.
A likely story. Continue.
The defense is claiming that he is apologizing for this. I don't really believe that. If he felt bad, I don't think he would have flipped off those children.
Don't you dare fucking throw another paper at me.
All right, defense. What is your defense?
All right, hold on. Let me see here. Your Honor, I just want you to take one look at his face. Surely this isn't the man that could shit in a KFC parking lot. Look at him. I would like to
Order in
bring
the
to your
court!
attention-
I will not have you throwing shit. Sorry, go on.
This rental car. This was the car that was seen on the scene of the crime by the witnesses. But you'll notice if you look at the registration, it's not under my client's name. It's under Mrs. Stinky.
He's not accused of a driving or vehicle traffic law viation, sir.
Yes,
he
but
shit
what
and
I'm
then
saying is
flipped off some kid.
he was never on the scene to begin with.
How does the car prove that?
Rose, because
Your Honor, a second plane has hit the tower.
oh shit!
Breaking news! Eyewitness reports show defendant flipping bird. Yeah, you know, I didn't realize that. Yeah, that does look pretty similar. I mean, look at his eyebrows; those are like dead on. What do you have to say about this breaking news? He's chickening out. Prosecutor, what do you have to say about this?
Your Honor, I mean, I think this is clear as day. Like we're seeing Mr. Stinky.
Journalist over there, what do you have to say about this? What are your thoughts? I'm just curious from the peanut gallery.
It did show eyewitness flipping the bird.
Sorry, button got stuck.
I would just like to say the only thing that the eyewitnesses saw, including in the paper, was him flipping people off, which I will admit did happen.
So
However,
you're admitting he flipped the children off?
That is not a crime in itself. The crime would be the shitting, and that simply didn't happen, as you'll notice by the eyewitnesses mentioning nothing about it, Your Honor.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Logan. You have something to say.
I am the eyewitness.
I would like to call a witness to the stand. I'm gonna call up the homeless man.
Wait, huh?
Oh god, I fucking knocked the homeless man out. Oh god. You're at the stand! Speak, witness!
Question mark? Is somebody gonna ask me a
Alright, can we- Why are you slamming the desk over there?
Your Honor, if I may, I would like to present new evidence.
Yeah, of course, yeah, whatever.
Hey, journalist, are we supposed to be taking notes?
I'm not taking notes.
I am starting to have issues with the timeline here. As the witness stated earlier, he flipped off the children and then took a shit. However, that is not the charge. The charge is taking a shit in the KFC parking lot, then flipping the bird at 5 children.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Prosecution, what
Your
do you have
Honor.
to say about that?
It is important to note that although the timeline may seem flipped, there is nothing stopping Mr. Stinky from have shitting before and after flipping the bird. It is still
Objection, Your
possible.
Honor. No one has that much shit in them.
I believe it's a good time for the witness for the prosecution. to come up to the stand. This is the police officer from the scene, no?
Hello, police officer. So I have a question for you. At the scene of the crime, did you find multiple piles of dookie?
Yes, sir. I found a total of 5, actually.
Holy shit.
Literally.
Do you have any evidence that is linking all of these to Mr. Stinky, or do you believe that there are multiple shitters in the vicinity?
There may have been multiple sinners.
Defense, please cross-examine the witness at this time.
Officer, sir,
critical to this
just as a general question,
Shut the fuck up. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Avery.
Okay, please hold. I'm just pulling the files now. You may continue while I do this.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Go on. That's enough!
Have you done any sort of DNA testing on any of these shits? Do we know that they're all human?
They are, in fact, all human.
Can I ask how we know this?
I was there, and I watched him take a shit as I was taking a shit in the parking lot.
So there were at least 2 individual shitters.
Holy fuck.
There may have been more. I saw a homeless man around.
Your Honor, I think this is getting us nowhere. I think we might have multiple criminals in this room as we speak.
Well, let me ask you this, Mr. Police Officer. If you were a part of this shit party, what part would be illegal?
I couldn't emote. Sorry.
Prosecutor, any other evidence?
Yeah, buddy, let's get to the decision.
All right. On that note, I, the judge, jury, and executioner have come to a verdict. I believe that the act of shitting is an action which is inherently speech, and I believe all speech should be free, even in a KFC parking lot. Additionally, fuck them kids. 3, not guilty.
That's a fucking stupid ass game.
Good shit. It's so funny.
Breaking news! Breaking news! Breaking news! Mr. Hunton saved 4 children by killing 2 with trolley.
Oh my god, the classic trolley problem. Your Honor, I would like to point out that this picture is drawn incorrectly, and the 4 children are in the incorrect place.
You didn't have to turn anything. They were gonna live anyway.
This is some damning new evidence. He's a chicken.
He's a chicken jockey!
Chicken jockey!
Your Honor, I would simply like to rest my case saying there's no way my client was doing that, and he says apologies
Why would he apologize?
for wasting your time with these idiots.
Okay, I am going
fucking
to
arrested.
come to a decision here. So the original charge is vehicular manslaughter on 2 counts, and also child endangerment. So weird chocolate lady's dead. There's a clown and my accused person getting it on a train that stopped in the middle of the tracks. Kids on the tracks with a katana near them for some reason.
When this guy
Broken
is so many
glasses.
mouths.
That makes sense. Security camera that was never turned on, which is kind of neat.
Night start to finish, from my point of view, I guess.
I'm gonna charge him guilty on all counts.
Good shit. It's so funny.
Oh, shit.
Mr. Cock.
So Mr. Cock over there was torturing the balls.
Your Honor, my client's entire life, he has been given crap about his name, Mr. Cock.
I don't fucking care, man.
It is, the client could not have tortured any balls because, behold, his V card. He's never gotten any bitches or men.
Fuck, how do I counter that? You see, him not getting any bitches cannot possibly be true because of this burnt wooden spoon.
Everyone
which was
knows
used-
with a burnt wooden spoon get bitches. Everyone knows that.
Sure.
My client has a burnt wooden spoon, not because he gets bitches, but because he's really bad at cooking, and I have evidence to prove this. Behold, a dull knife.
Your Honor, if that is true, where did this matchbox come from? It was obviously used to heat up the spoon.
Oh, I'm bringing in the movie producer.
Hey,
give me the
it's
stamps,
me,
please.
Mr. Movie Producer.
All right, Mr. Movie Producer.
Hey, it's me. I'm a movie
Is it
producer.
not? What about the security camera?
I don't think this security camera really brings anything to this case.
Fuck,
I'm
that
gonna
one
rule
didn't
that
work.
out
Okay,
from the evidence for now.
more than
You
one
used
piece of
all 5
evidence?
pieces of evidence already.
Fuck! So like he has his V card, right?
Yeah.
But that just means that he never inserted his penis into.
Well, when you say V card, I thought you were talking about like a Costco card or something. Is that is that not like a store for shopping?
Well. Okay, anyway, we are in agreement that Mr. Cock gets bitches.
Yeah, but I don't see how his sexual preference makes him like immune to ball torture.
No, he does the ball torture. He likes to torture balls.
All right, Mr. Director, question. What kind of films do you direct?
Mostly porn.
Understood. And what genre of porn?
Ball torture.
All right. Now, Mr. Director, does my client seem indicative to you of a ball torture guy?
Well, I mean, he's wearing a big old ball on his head, so I don't know. You tell me. He's
There's
probably
some
into it.
indicative of his accused.
Breaking news!
What is ball?
What is ball torture? I'm a visual learner.
This is a fair question.
I'm a physical learner.
That's all I'm saying, Johnny.
I think that the witnesses' accounts actually give credibility to my case. So far, we've been discussing Mr. Cock related to ball torture, but it was never defined as to what kind of ball torture there was. Considering we have a ball torture expert here discussing non-testicular ball torture, I think that this brings something to the case.
Oh, you mean like diddling testicles? Why don't you say that? Oh my gosh. You know how many balls there are? Bowling balls, juicy balls,
Basketball.
basketball. That guy gets it.
This has all just been a huge misunderstanding.
Oh my gosh.
I believe they're asking about cock and ball torture.
Oh yeah, that guy fucking did it. Look at him.
That's a valid point, actually.
All right.
Convict-
As the judge, I believe I've made my verdict. In my humble opinion, cock and ball
Wait.
torture is
Will,
never okay. Maybe even a special.
Never.
With that in mind,
Your Honor, I don't mean to pause, but I'm a gambling man. I say heads is for the prosecutors, tails is for the defendant.
And honestly, there's no better time to work out your luck.
Please, which one you want?
I would like heads.
Prosecutor wins!
I mean, that's a good fucking point, I think.
All right, so I heard about this game through a friend, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was appropriate to wear a suit and tie to this, obviously, because of what I do. Thank you guys for staying, watching. I hope you guys enjoyed enough to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.